get all my stuff together, get my ducks in a row, so to say, because I don't know what week we're on right now. But as you can see, look at what they have done. OMG, it is crazy. It is crazy. This is the master bedroom, and that right ahead, right there, is the shower, master shower. And over here is the living room. These will be like, you know, really big windows. This must be the door leading from like the dining area. So I'm referring to this right here. That's the door that will lead outside to the backyard. And then right here, fireplace right there. What is that? Full tile with returns. Is that what that? I don't know what the return means, but yeah. Oh, I see. They've like mapped out. It says wood, and then this, I guess, is, well, I don't know. The carpet, I know, is not about to go all the way to the island. So, I don't know. We'll figure that part out. Are they about to do work over here? Because if so, I'm going to run. Guys, they're starting to do work over here. I guess that's exciting. Okay, I think I'm going to try to drive around the front and see what's going on up there. Hey my friends, it is Sunday, May 7th, and we have some exciting updates. So far, they are ahead of schedule, so let me flip you around. So as you can see, we have a roof up there, and we have windows. Crazy exciting. These windows are so big. These windows are so huge. Let's see if we can see in there at all. Kinda, sorta, not for real. And then the door. This is our master. These are just the windows. And then I'm gonna try to see if you guys can see anything. I don't think you'll be able to see a thing in there. There's the front door and the porch. Looking good. That's not our actual front door. I showed you guys in the last video what our front door will actually look like. And then we have the garage door. Hey my friends, we just pulled up to the house, and so I'm going to show you what they've done. As you can see behind me, there is some siding there, so that's super exciting. Look at this. It's very pretty. I like. This is our room. I see some plumbing and stuff in there. I don't know if you guys can see anything in there. I doubt it. Let's see. I doubt it. Okay. I see the shower. I think the tub is in there too. These are nice big windows that open. And then windows I showed you last time. Another little bit of the siding there. Oh, you can see a little bit in there. I see some vents in there. Oh, you guys can't see anything. What if I push this door open?
Yeah, let's not do that.
Why not? I'm not gonna go in. I mean, a little bit. Boo! Come on. We're right there. Okay, just this. Oh, shush. Huh? These are those windows from the dining area.
It should really be given take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind.
Look at that. So pretty. Huh? I will. Oh, I am.
Hiding his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
So this is the hardboard siding. You can tell it's different. Remember, I think I told you guys in the design center upgrade video that we had to upgrade something on the outside of the house, and so we upgraded it like for the front and part of the side to be hardboard siding. So I love it.